Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Vlog. This is Mehul, and today I'm going to do unboxing for this one, baby carrier. Yeah, so I bought this one from Big W. So it costs about $50 somewhere. Yeah, but it price may be up and down sometime. So just check it, whatever time according to that. So let's unbox it. So usually I bought this one because I was not able to get a pram. So let's see. So nothing there. So here this is 3.6 kilogram to 9.1 kilogram. You can adjust. So it's a front and back both with a storage pouch. So nothing inside. So here you go. Put everything aside. So this is manuals. How you gonna put it. So this is show you front. How you gonna put it in front. How you gonna put it at back. Yeah, that's the best way. So please don't carry as a carry bag at back. This is not meant for that one. So that's it, and let's see the quality. Quality is soft, good for baby. Cushioning is okay. So usually baby goes in here, and the hands and legs here. So baby head stay here. So you can put it like that, and you can fix the straps here as well. So that's a strap as well for your back support. So that's it, and you can, how you do it, clip it out. You can see me from here. So put it like that. Got it. And find the clip, which is shoulder strap. So it's supposed to come down. So first adjust your shoulder strap as according to your height and everything. I will do it right now. Get the first strap. Clip it up here. So this is how you're gonna carry the baby. Just make sure you have everything tight and firm, and baby have good space here as well. So this is the end of this vlog. I hope you like this one.